Let's go to an art museum, I'll explain it at the coffee shop. I know you don't get.
Good morning, guys. So in today's video I am going to be showing you guys what I eat in a day. I did one of this a while ago and that was when I still lived in the dorms, so this is going to be very different. Ever since I moved into my apartment, I have gotten really into cooking and trying to like make myself meals. It's time to get started with the day. I have a lot going on today, kind of. So every morning I love making breakfast sandwiches. I actually do it a lot, surprisingly. I feel like every time I have to get something out of the fridge, it's like doing a puzzle. Like there's just so much stuff in there. I usually make 2 eggs and I'll just put them right into like a glass. So I have to turn the fan on whenever I use a stove because literally the fire alarm goes off every single time I cook. Okay, not the fire alarm, the smoke alarm, just to clarify.
Take my hand and hold it tight. Look at the paintings, I'll be your guide. Don't stop looking in my eyes. Are you cold? Do you?
Sometimes I feel like I accidentally wait just like a little bit too long to like move the eggs, but you know, it's fine. So now it's time to make my Taylor ham. I know everyone likes to refer to it as pork roll, but I specifically only eat Taylor ham, so I'm gonna say Taylor ham. If you're not from New Jersey, then you have literally no clue what I'm talking about.
Want to sit down? I've been here a million times, so I know my way around. Don't stop looking at me now.
I literally always forget to make my coffee when I'm making breakfast, so I never end up having my coffee while I'm eating breakfast, but it's fine because I like to drink coffee when I'm doing homework and studying.
I know you don't care as much as I do, but I'm just content with me next to you. Let's go to an art museum, I'll explain it at the coffee shop.
This is the final product. My coffee just went off, but it's done, so I'll have that in a little bit. You can literally hear it. Toast is like a little too burnt for my liking, but it's fine.
I know you don't get it, but there's no need to fret it. It's like a gift, it's about the thought. Monet might be too much and Van Gogh might take a while, but thank you for coming. I know that you're trying to do anything to make me smile.
So now I need to get dressed for the day. I've been working on my review for my exam all morning. I'm gonna go run and get my nails done, then come back, finish my review, and take the exam. I literally always end up wearing this, but it just goes with everything. So I think I'm gonna do this. White instead of black and orange instead of red. So I just got my nails done. I don't have too much time because I'm about to start my exam, so I literally just made a little chocolate protein shake that should hold me over until after, and then I could like make a little snack or something. So I just finished my exam. I think I did pretty good, and I'm so glad that my nails are shorter now, so it's easier to use the calculator. But now I'm gonna go downstairs and make myself a little snack. Okay, so this is the finished product. A piece of toast with almond butter, strawberries, blueberries, and some honey drizzled on top. It's a new little snack I've been making. I'm gonna go eat this. Bye. So I've been sitting here taking notes for the past like hour or two, but I am starving, so it's time to make some dinner. So I think like a really good, affordable, easy option for college students is Hamburger Helper. Definitely better than just having like mac and cheese or something. It's easy to make and it's like a nice like hot meal. So first I just need to brown the beef in skillet. I've been getting this one. It's supposed to have like less fat. It's supposed to be like more lean. I don't really know if it's much better or not, but that's what I've been getting. That this is not thawed. I'm not really sure what to do about it, but it's kind of like too late. So I'm just gonna like keep breaking it up and hope that it's okay. Food is literally still hot, but I think I'm gonna try putting some Mexican cheese on it. I mean on the I'm really not sure why, but I'm just feeling so anxious. I don't know if I didn't drink enough water today. I'm not really sure what it is, but I think I'm just gonna go get a milkshake because I feel like it'll make me feel better. Once it hits like 9 o'clock, like I literally just want to eat everything in sight. So I lost the footage, but I did indeed get a milkshake from Wawa. It was either cookies and cream or Reese's. I'm just putting this away in like Tupperware bins. But yeah, so this is just like one look at what I eat in a day. So if you want to see another one of these videos, give this video a thumbs up so I know. And I'll show you guys some different things that I like to eat. I love fish, and I didn't even have fish today. You know, ever since I've been here, I have not made mac and cheese or ramen or chicken nuggets. You know, maybe everything I eat isn't like super healthy, but I feel like it's more on par with like what I would eat if I were at home and my mom making me food. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you in the next one, and thanks for watching. Bye.
I know you don't get it, but there's no need to fret it. It's like a gift, it's about the thought. No name might be too much, and Van Gogh